This is Rachel, the Jewish princess working for the real kingdom.
And this is Cindy, the Christian on a mission.
We're broadcasting live for Edge Radio down in Homestead, Florida at the Coral Castle, a magnificent piece of alien technology right here on planet Earth.
It is so fascinating. We wish you were here, but we're doing the next best thing. We're showing you what we're seeing.
That's right, and it looks like they have somewhat of a crowd here today that are all fascinated with what exactly happened with this elderly man that was very small, and he was able to carry and carve all of this very, very heavy coral rock. On a past show, we heard one of our broadcasters interviewing someone who brought up the Coral Castle, and we felt we would bring it to our viewers, and here it is. Cindy, is this the first time you've been here?
Absolutely, and Rachel has seen this over the years and shared it with me, so now I have the opportunity to see with my own eyes. This is exciting.
Look at this. People don't understand that aren't from Coral Rock Haven, Key Largo, or South Florida, how heavy coral rock is, how sharp it is, how hard it is to get out of the ground and carry it around. It's extremely, extremely difficult, but it's weird.
And we'll show you in a minute the utensils that he used, and y'all, they're not cranes.
No. It's very antiquated. The things that he used would probably not be able to hoist anything, especially nothing to the magnitude of what we're seeing here at the Coral Castle. Look at this. I mean, they're tons.
I just noticed a sign. It's called Repentance Corner.
Well, I'll be spending time there as soon as we stop filming.
Rachel, the plants that are coming out of the coral rocks, it's real fascinating. They're growing out of the rock. It's beautiful.
Did you notice some of the pieces on top? That almost looks like Saturn.
Well, it's very much, look over there, it looks like a crescent moon.
Definitely.
So apparently he was using astrology, right?
Thank you. Okay, back at the Edge Radio broadcast, we have these two guys that can push rocks like nobody else. What do you think the weight of that is?
It's 9 tons.
9 tons.
Just on the door.
How would he possibly stand it up? It's impossible. He had aliens.
He might have. What's real interesting about the door, it's 9 tons just on the door. And then the original bearings, they worked for 50 years and broke in 1986. Now we did hire some engineers to take it apart and put new bearings in at the bottom. When they took it all apart, the bearings, they sat on a piece of rock that was dense enough to hold the weight of the 9 tons. Now that was sent out to be tested at a test lab. It comes back unknown origins. So we're not sure where he got that from. And we do have that base in the gift shop. It's on display in the display case.
You mean like the compound of it was not Earth-based?
Exactly. They don't know where he got this from.
Okay, well, I want to rest my case. And you talk about aliens?
Actually, yes, I am. If you want to talk about aliens, I'd like to invite you to talk with our group. I'm from the League of Paranormal Investigators. And we did a couple of times some research here.
Where are you from?
From Miami, but not originally. I'm from the Netherlands originally.
Okay.
And we did some investigations here, but also we have our group where we talk about paranormal stuff like aliens, UFOs, stuff like that.
Okay.
So if you want to start a discussion on that topic.
I would love to. Do you have a business card?
Yes, I have. It's
Okay.
on front actually, so if you go to the front, I can give you the business card.
Definitely. As I always say, I will find one amongst me that understands where I come from. This is fabulous. Fabulous.
Now, we're more willing to have a discussion on this topic because it's really interesting stuff, and actually they have a theory about how it's happening, and we also have a kind of theory about how things are happening here. So.
Yes, I mean, look, this is not something that is normal. It's not normal, and we so appreciate being welcomed here at the Coral Castle. We want people to come here. Okay, I am ready to get in my spaceship.